Today I'm going to show you how to use Instagram hashtag generator. So let's begin the video. To get started here I'm gonna open my Chrome browser. After that in the search bar I'm gonna type in Instagram hashtag generator. Then from the search I'm gonna click on the second link. After clicking on the link it will take me to this website. Now here you have to enter any hashtags from which you want to generate more hashtags. Here I'm gonna enter any three random hashtags. For first hashtag I'm gonna type in life rules, and for the second I'm gonna type in motivation. Then for the third I'm gonna type in success, just to see the results and how it works. After entering the hashtags I'm gonna scroll down a little bit. Now here as you can see it's generated me more hashtags related to my first hashtag. Now I can use this for my post. Then I'm gonna further scroll down. Now as you can see it's generated me more hashtags related to my second hashtag. You have to simply copy these hashtags and use them on your post. So this is how you can use Instagram hashtag generator.